Hi everybody, welcome to Bloomfield Farm. This is the entrance to our property. This big old beautiful tree. These are probably original boxwoods and they're pretty magnificent. There's two amazing Japanese maples under here, and apparently this was like the old carriage entrance, which I don't have anything but that marker right there to go on when it comes to that. But apparently there were probably two of these marking the entrance of the house, which you can see right through there. But I will walk you around. And there she is, our sweet girl Bloomfield, who we are trying to breathe some life back into after many years of I don't know if it's neglect. Probably, I don't know. Anyway, so in Virginia, in this part of Virginia, in Berryville, you will see large stones, limestone, just everywhere. When they put the house up for sale, they cut down a lot of trees. Probably a good thing. Sad to see that some of them are gone, because I think some of them were pretty old, like this guy right here. But this is the house. Up there is the spring house, or where the spring house was at one time. Not a spring house, I think it was called the milk house. We are right now having scaffolding up because they are going to repoint our chimneys, which, if you look up there, you can see it's missing 2 layers of stone, and on the other side it looks like someone took a big chunk bite out of it. So they're falling on the roof and causing big issues with the roof, and you can see where we've patched it. We'll eventually get to the roof, but right now we are just trying to line up our our plan of attack. What first, what to do. And right now we're doing some roofing work, some brick work, and definitely window work. Here's one of those old trees I was telling you about. And apparently I was putting in these lilies, which someone brought from their farm. That's why they look all janky, but they will come back, I'm told. So I just put them in the ground. He said they were tubers, which means the tubes will shoot down and they will grow back. But anyway, they put in this wall. But underneath this wall, going straight out to there, is an old brick sidewalk, which I did run into putting these in, but I've got right now bigger fish to fry. There's Molly again, with getting Bloomfield going. But these are some of the trees that were taken down, which some of them were definitely